students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Math Magic Workbook Standard 3rd. Now all of you open your page number 204. In the previous video, we have completed main 6. Today we'll see a go ahead. Understand divisions of a 2-digit number by a single digit number. Okay. Now see, example is given, divide 64 by 2. See here, divisions is given. See, first of all, 64 means 6 tens and 4 ones. 4 जो है वो 64 नंबर में, 4 जो है वो वंस की प्लेस पे एंड 6 है वो टेंस की प्लेस पे. रिसाइट द टेबल ऑफ 2 टू डिवाइड द 6 बाय 2. सो आपको 2 का टेबल्स याद करना है. 6 by 2, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू टेक 6 नंबर. ओके, 6 इज ग्रेटर देन 2, सो टेक अ 6 नंबर. 2 3s are 6 एंड वी नो दैट 2 1s के टेबल में 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, so 6 minus 6 it's a 0. So the first quotient is a 3. This one is the quotient जो है वो 3 है, first quotient. Now say 6 minus 6 0. Therefore write 3 above 6 in the quotient at tens place. वो 3 जो है वो आपको tens की प्लेस पे लिखना है 6 के ऊपर. ओके, राइट द प्रोडक्ट 6 बिलो 6 एंड देन सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. ये जो है वो प्रोडक्ट है, तो वो प्रोडक्ट 6 के नीचे आपको 6 लिखना है एंड देन आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, माइनस करना है. वी गेट द रिजल्ट 0 एंड वी जो 6 minus 6 आंसर जो है वो रिजल्ट है वो 0. नाउ टू डिवाइड फर्दर, हमें आगे डिवाइड करना है. राइट 4 बिसाइड 0. 0 के बाजू में क्या लिखना है? 4. 4 के नीचे 4. नाउ टू डिवाइड 4 by 2, रिसाइट द टेबल ऑफ 2. आपको 4 2 से डिवाइड करना है. ओके, तो अगेन आपको 2 1s का टेबल याद करना है. तो 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. तो 2 हाउ मच 4? 2 2s are 4. तो 2 जो है वो हमें ऊपर लिखना है क्वेश्चन की जगह पे. 2 2 are 4. 2 2s are 4. So the next question जो है वो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो 2. ओके, एंड 4 जो है, therefore write 2 above 4 in the quotient at ones place. 4 के ऊपर आपको 2 लिखना है. 2 2s are 4 एंड 4 minus 4 आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, देन इट्स 0. राइट द प्रोडक्ट 4, जो 4 आया वो हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है प्रोडक्ट 4 बिलो 4, 4 के नीचे 4 एंड देन सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. उसके बाद आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. वी गेट द रिजल्ट 0. 4 minus 4 इट्स 0. ओके, so thus dividing 64 by 2 we get the 32 as a quotient. Okay, now we will see the next page number 205. Main 7, divide. First one, 48 divided by 2. So again आपको 2 1s का टेबल याद करना है. तो 4 is greater than 2, so आपको 1 digit लेना है. And we know that 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So write down here 2 2s are 4. 4 के ऊपर लिखना है 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. So 4 minus 4 0. Now take a 8. So write down 8 here. 8 की जगह पे आपको 8 के नीचे 8 लिखना है. Okay. Now 2 1s का टेबल आपको फिर से याद करना है. तो 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 4 जो है वो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपको लिखना है 2 के बाद. 4 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 it's a 0. जो 24 है वो आपका क्वेश्चन है. नाउ सी द सेकेंड वन, 68 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. नाउ सी 6 आपको लेना है. तो 2 1s के टेबल में 6 कब आते हैं? तो 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. तो 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 6 it's a 0. Now take a 8. Now again याद करो 2 का टेबल. तो 2 4s are 8. So 8 minus 8 it's a 0. Quotient जो है वो 34. It's answer. Now see the third one, 69 divided by 3. Now 3 का टेबल आपको याद करना है. Now take a 6. Okay, 6 is greater than 3. So take a 1 digit. Now 3 1s के टेबल में 6 कब आता है? 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 it's a 0. Now take a 9. 3 how much are 9? 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 9 it's a 0. Answer है 23. Now fourth one, 93 divided by 9. Again take 9. 9 is greater than 3. So take a 1 digit. 3 how much are 9? So 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 it's a 0. And again 3 आपको नीचे लिखना है. 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 it's a 0. जो क्वेश्चन थे आंसर है वो 31. Now see the fifth one. 44 divided by 4. Now see 4 1s are 4. So write down 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 it's a 0. Again take a 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 it's a 0. Question है आंसर वो 11. Now see the sixth one. 88 divided by 8. Again 8 1s are 8. So 8 minus 8 it's a 0. Again take a 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 minus 8 is a 0. Question है वो 11. Now 66 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 minus 6 it's a 0. 6 again take 6 as a okay. Now 6 1s are 6. 6 minus 6 it's a 0. Now 8th one. 26 divided by 2. So take a 2 number. Okay. So 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2 it's a 0. Take a remaining 6. Okay. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 it's a 0. So your quotient is a answer जो है वो 13. Now 63 divided by 3. 3 1s का टेबल आपको याद करना है. 6 is a greater number so take 1 digit. 6 3 1s का टेबल याद करो तो 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 it's a 0. Now further number आपको लिखना है तो नीचे लिखो 3. 3 how much are 3? 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 it's a 0. Question जो है वो हमारा 21. Now see the 10th one. 64 divided by 2. Take a 6 number. 6 is a greater than 2. So take a 1 digit. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 it's a 0. Take a 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 it's a 0. Quotient is a 32. Now see the 11th one. 84 divided by 4. So take a 1 digit 8. 8 is greater than 4. Now recite the 4 1s are table. 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 8 it is a 0. Now the another further number. It's a 4. So take a 4. 4 as a downward. Okay. Now 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 it's a 0. Quotient जो वो 21. We get a 21. Now see the 42 divided by 2. 2 how much are 4? 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 it's a 0. Now again 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2 it's a 0. Now 39 not 39. 96 divided by 3. Take a 1 digit. 9 is greater than 3. Now recite the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 how much are 9? 3 3s are 9. So 3 is the first question. So write down 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 it's a 0. Now take a 6. Now 3 how much are 6? 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 it's a 0. 32 is a quotient. Now see the 28 divided by 2. Take a 1 digit. 2 1s are 2. Okay. So 2 minus 2 it's a 0. Now this 8. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 is a 0. This 14 is your quotient. Now see the 15. 99 divided by 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 minus 9 it's a 0. Again this 9. 9 1s are 9 it's a 0. 9 1s are 9. 9 minus 9 it's a 0. Your quotient is a 11. Now see the 16th one. 77 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 minus 7 it's a 0. Again take a 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 minus 7 it's a 0. Your answer we get the 11. 17th one. 86 divided by 2. Now take a 8. 2 how much are 8? 2 4s are 8. So write down 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 it's a 0. Now take a 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 it's a 0. This 43 is your quotient. Now this 18, 19 and 20. This is same as above. Okay. So you have to do in the homework. Now see the next page. See page number 206. First of all, understand example is given. Divide 78 by 3. See, 78 मीन्स 7 जो है वो 7 टेंस की जगह पे, एंड 8 इज ऑन वंस प्लेस, सो 8 वंस. Now recite the table of 3. See, first of all, 78 divided by 3. This 7 is greater than 3. So you have to take one digit. Okay. So take one digit. Now 3 का table आपको याद करना है. Recite the table of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are तो 9 हो गया. Okay. So 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 9 is greater than 7. 9 जो है वो greater than 7. 7 से greater है. तो आपको क्या लेना है कि 3 twos are 6 कंसिडर करना है. हेंस 3 threes are 9 कैन नॉट बी टेकन. 9 ग्रेटर है तो 9 कैन नॉट बी टेकन. थर्स वी हैव टू रिसाइट अप टू 2. आपको क्या कंसिडर करना है? 3 twos are 6 ही लेना है. ओके. 3 threes are 9 बढ़ जाएगा. 9 इज ग्रेटर देन 7, सो यू डोंट हैव टू टेक 3 threes are 9. आपको कंसिडर क्या करना है? 3 twos are 6, 7 minus 6 it's a 1. Now this 1 and 8 comes down. Okay, now the number 18. Now see, example 3 twos are 6. So the first question is 2. आपका first question 2 आ गया. Subtract 6 from 7. 7 में से 6 subtract हुआ था 1. This 8 come down and the complete division as shown. Now see, आपका number हुआ 18. Now again the 3 ones का टेबल आपको याद करना है. Okay. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18. अब 18 कब आया? 3 6 are 18. So write down here 3 6 are 6 as a quotient, and यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है 18. 3 6 are 18. 8 minus 8 is a 0. 1 minus 1 it's a 0. Now here what we get? 26 answer we get. Thus dividing 78 by 3 we get a 26. Now see main 8. First one 72 divided by 3. Again this 7 is greater than 3. So you have to take one digit number. Okay. So 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. 9 तो again 7 से बढ़ जाएगा. तो you have to consider 3 twos are 6. 7 minus 6 it's a 1. This 2 comes down, so number 12. Now we have to see when the number 12 comes. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. 3 how much are 12? 3 fours are 12. So 4 is your another quotient. 3 fours are 12. 2 minus 2 it's a 0. 1 minus 1 it's a 0. 24 is your quotient, your answer. Now see second one. 57 divided by 3. 5 is greater than 3. So take one number, one digit number 5. Now see 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are तो 6 हो जाए. 6 is greater than 5. So you have to consider 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 it's a 2. Now this 7 comes down and 3 के टेबल में 27 कब आते हैं? तो 3 ones का टेबल आप याद करो तो 3 nines are 27. So write down here 3 nines are 27. 7 minus 7 it's a 0. 2 minus 2 it's a 0. So your answer is 19. Quotient is a 19. Now see the third one. 74 divided by 2. Take a 7 as a number. Why 7 is greater than 2? So you have to take one digit number 7. Now see 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are the 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, and 2 fours are 8. तो 8 जो है वो 7 से बढ़ जाएगा. तो you have to take 2 threes are 6. 7 minus 6 it's a 1. This 4 comes down and 2 के टेबल में 14 कब आता है? तो 2 का टेबल याद करो तो 2 sevens are 14. तो 2 sevens are 14. 4 minus 4 it's a 0. 1 minus 1 it's a 0. So your answer is a 37. Now see the fourth one. 56 divided by 4. Okay, take a 5. Why 5? 5 is greater than 4. So take a one digit number. And 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are तो 8 हो जाएगा. 8 is greater than 5. So you have to consider 4 only. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 it's a 1. This 6 comes down, it's a number 16. Now again 4 ones का टेबल याद कर तो 4 ones के टेबल में 16 कब आता है? तो 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 6 minus 6 it's a 0. 1 minus 1 it's a 0. So your answer is a 14. Now see the fifth one. 85 divided by 5. Take a 8, one digit number. 8 is greater than 5. Now see 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are to 10. 10 is greater than 8. So you have to take 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5 it's a 3. This 5 comes down. नाउ द नंबर 35, तो 5 वन जा के टेबल में 35 कब आता है? तो 5 7 जा 35, 5 7 जा 35. 5 minus 5 it's a 0, 3 minus 3 it's a 0. So your answer is a 17. Now see the sixth one, 95 divided by 5. Now 9 is greater than 5, so take one digit number. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 10 is greater than 9, so take a 5 ones are 5. 9 minus 5 it's a 4. This 5 come down, so number 45. 5 ones के टेबल में 45 कब आता है? तो 5 ones का टेबल याद करो तो 5 9s are 45, 5 9s are 45. 5 minus 5 it's a 0, 4 minus 4 it's a 0. So your answer is 19. Now see the seventh one, 96 divided by 8. Take a one digit number 9. 9 is greater than 8. So take a one digit number only 9. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 twos are 16, 16 is greater than 9. So take 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 it's a 1. This 6 comes down. Now 16 number is there, okay? So 8 ones are के टेबल में 16 कब आता है? तो 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So write down here 8 twos are 16. 6 minus 6 it's a 0, 1 minus 1 it's a 0. The 12 is your answer. Now see the eighth one, 98 divided by 7. You have to consider only 9. 9 is greater than 7. So take only one digit 9. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are तो 14. The 14 जो है वो 9 से बढ़ जाएगा. So you have to take 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7 it's a 2. This 8 come down. So number 28 comes. Okay. So 7 ones के टेबल में 28 कब आता है? तो 7 4s are 28. So take the 4 is another question number. 7 4s are 28. 8 minus 8 it's a 0. 2 minus 2 it's a 0. Your answer is a 14. Now see this one, 68 divided by 4. Okay, you have to take one digit number 6. 6 is greater than 4. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 जो है वो 6 से बढ़ जाएगा. So you have to take 4 ones are 4 only. 6 minus 4 it's a 2. This 8 come down. Now the number 28. तो 28 4 के टेबल में कब आता है? तो 4 7s are 28. 8 minus 8 it's a 0. 2 minus 2 it's a 0. So your answer is a 17. Now see the 10th one, 54 divided by 2. You have to take 5. See, 5 is greater than 2. Now 2 ones का टेबल याद करो. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 3s are 6. 6 जो है वो 5 से बढ़ जाएगा. तो 2 twos are 4 आपको लेना है. 5 minus 4 it's a 1. This 4 comes down. 14. 2 ones के टेबल में 14 कब आता है? 2 7s are 14. 4 minus 4 it's a 0. 1 minus 1 it's a 0. So your answer is a 27. Now see the 11th one, 96 divided by 4. You have to take 9. Okay. 9 is greater than 4. So take one digit. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 12 तो 9 से बढ़ जाएगा. तो you have to take 4 twos are 8. 9 minus 8 it's a 1. The 6 comes down. It's number 16. 4 ones के टेबल में 16 कब आता है? तो 4 4s are 16. Now do the subtraction. 6 minus 6 it's a 0. 1 minus 1 it's a 0. So your answer is a 24th. So 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th is the same as the above sums you have to do in the homework. In the next video, we will see the next page 207. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.